Hi guys, welcome to BS Games Philippines. So, for tonight, we're going to play One Night Ultimate Werewolf. And I'm going to play with this amazing player. Ujin, Itlog, Skirulit, Noob Ambassador, and syempre ako si Sheka. And ang aming host, si Sandman. Sandman, take it away.
Thank you very much. Sheka, English game? English game? You can make it an English game.
Go!
Oh, wow. Okay. English game. So we are playing One Night Ultimate Werewolf in 5 players. Check the description. International. 3 countries represented. Go figure. Check the description below what rules are in play. Guys, let's start the game. Make it fast. Make your mics go to sleep.
Rest up, sleep tight, nighty-night, sweet dreams.
Robert, wake up. Nagmamadali tayo. Robert, wake up. Pick a player. This is your new row. After picture. Everyone, wake up.
Everyone,
Right? This is
wake
fast.
up.
I love it. 5-minute game. Catch at least one werewolf. 5 minutes starting now. Good luck.
I know the role of Skiddo. Wag mo na munang banggitin, pero I can vouch for you.
Yeah, English game for
Bakit?
Sheka. English game. Yeah.
Thank you.
Bakit? Kasi Mystic Werewolf siya, tapos tinignan niya yung kay Skido. Robert speaks first.
Unless someone switched my role.
Eh, sino muna
Sheka, you're
yung
on Vita. Nakamate ka, Sheka, if you're talking.
I switch some roles but not Bujin. Sorry, Bujin.
Uh-oh. Ah. So, werewolf pa rin si Bujin. Ano ba yung pwedeng tumingin ng role? So, si Sheka nagka-claim na troublemaker. Ikaw, Itlog. Anong nakita mo?
Sabihin nyo na yung mga roles nyo kasi may pinagpalit ako.
Pasalitayin muna natin yung Robber.
Wala ang nagka-claim.
Go guys. Sabihin nyo na yung mga roles nyo kasi pinagpalit ko naman na.
Who did you switch, Sheka?
Sorry?
Who did you switch?
6 and 7.
Ooh,
Apprentice
me
here
and-
ako yung nakita ko sa card number 1 si Troublemaker.
Oh, really?
No,
Really?
you are
Okay.
you are not
Ano?
apprentice here.
Wala nang nominating to, voting
That's
out na, di ba?
lying.
Good luck, Tom.
Bakit? Bakit Skiddo? Paano mo alam na hindi siya apprentice here?
Because I know Sheka's role.
Huh?
Because I know Sheka's telling the
okay.
truth.
So, kung
Bujin,
pinipalit tayo,
Bujin, I have a
yung
question
role,
though. Why would you say that you're vouching for me? What's your role?
I just know your role.
And my
wait,
role
baka
is
may
what?
witch eh.
And what is my
Ano
role,
dito?
Bujin?
Later.
What? Wait, so Sheka, you switched me and Noob, right?
6 and 7.
Yeah, you're the troublemaker, and I trust that.
Meron
So,
ba dito?
NA, werewolf ka na ba?
Hindi, kasi yung werewolf number 2 eh.
And
Sino?
Werewolf
so
card number 2.
Malaman.
Tingin mo, ano ako?
So, meaning,
either he's the witch or the apprentice seer. That's the only two things that, you know.
may isa kang werewolf or pwedeng dalawang
Pwedeng
card
nandun.
werewolf. Tapos, ang kalaban natin is Tanner. So, guys, umamin na kayo. Ano mga roles nyo?
Nagka-claim si Itlog ng apprentice here, which I know is not.
Oh, no, that's a lie.
I'm the Robber.
2 minutes left.
No, you're not.
Ah!
I robbed
No, you're
Sheka.
not.
I
No,
robbed.
you're not.
Itlog! Itlog is the
Pasalitain mo
Tanner!
kaya muna ako, Skido.
No,
Okay,
no, no, no.
Itlog,
You
I
are
know.
not.
I robbed Sheka, which
That's a lie.
hindi siya
Okay.
That is
troublemaker.
a lie.
Itlog,
Which siya?
tatlong beses ka
Which
nag-claim ng iba't
si
ibang
Sheka?
rooms. Okay,
Teka,
Tanner.
Which si
Itlog.
Sheka?
Sheka, you, so you swap me and Noob, right?
Which yan, hindi
Six
kanya
and seven.
sinwap. Wala siyang power
Six.
mag-swap.
6 and 7.
Okay.
Feeling ko Tanner tos Itlog. Malakas
No, 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 no,
pakiramdam.
no.
Malakas
I'm
ang
going,
pakiramdam ng mga babae.
Uh-oh.
Promise ko, pag nakita ni NA na nasa gitna yung werewolf, malamang
okay,
kinuha na ni
Bujin,
Sheka.
so complete the puzzle, Bujin. Why did you
So,
say
wait.
that you're going to vouch for me? How?
If
Yeah.
ever,
I can vouch for you kasi
Ever
ako yung
wait,
witch.
if ever
And
ma-vote out,
what card did you
panalo si Tanner.
What card?
Guys, huwag niyong iboboto si Itlog.
Card.
Insomniac.
And then
Wala
you
kang
gave it
chance
to
din
me.
si Itlog.
Yep, I gave it to him.
Oh.
Ano ka ba kanina, Skido? Kanina Mystic ka, tapos Insomnia ka na ngayon.
No, because like Itlog was Mystic. Because I robbed him. And Sheka switched me with Doob. So
So, sino ba ambassador na?
yeah, so Noob now is the
Wait,
Doob, so
wait.
vote Noob out.
Winitch ka muna. So, nawala na sa yung Mystic Werewolf. Tapos, pinagpalit tayo. Nauna yung Witch bago Troublemaker. So, posible nga na 0. Nabalik sa middle
Wait.
pile yung Mystic.
Wait, so robber.
Mauna.
So I robbed
Robber.
him.
Go guys.
Tapos
yeah,
switch.
so there's,
Perfect
yeah, so
na lang
there's
ako.
no more.
Number 2 yung Werewolf eh. Anong pinili mo, Bujin? Number 3, number 1?
3.
Si
Tapos
Sheka,
Insomniac yung
promise.
binigay mo kay
Si Sheka. Si Sheka.
So there's no insomniac then. So
Walang,
zero.
walang troublemaker.
Zero.
Walang troublemaker. Walang troublemaker.
No, Sheka is the trouble.
Si Itlog na lang tayo.
Alright, that's it.
Grab niya daw ako.
Wala
Guys,
nang
feeling ko
discussion.
Tanner's Itlog.
Wala
Huwag
nang
nang papanalunin si
discussion.
Itlog.
No, no,
Wala
nagsabi si Werewolf.
nang
Nagsabi si
discussion.
Werewolf.
Wala nang discussion. I'm gonna count you guys. Again, if you feel the both
Si
werewolves
Ujin
are with me, vote
Tahimik ni
0.
Bujid.
If you
Ano ba
even
English?
if you feel that you're the Tanner, you cannot vote for yourself. You have to vote for someone else. Counting down 3, 2, 1, vote. Hold it up. Vote. Hold it up. 8, 6, 0. Sheka, sinong vote mo?
Anong zero?
Zero, no, there are no
Sheka, you need a vote.
werewolves.
3, 2, 1. Okay, hands down. Walang naka 2 votes. So basically, majority nagsiselect na yung both werewolf cards nasa akin. So wala naka-majority votes. Okay. I think I have to first announce na 3 cards na nasa akin. Card 1, no, tama. Card 3 was the Insomniac. So wala naman nag-clear Insomniac. Card 2, tama. Card 2 was the werewolf, regular werewolf. Card 1 was the Troublemaker. Walang Troublemaker for the game. So, the game started na.
Wala.
Sheka.
Itlog was the regular werewolf. Sorry, mystic werewolf. Sheka was the witch. Kumuha siya ng card. Nilagay niya yung card ni Itlog, binalagay niya sa akin. Binigay ni Sheka ang card number 2 kay Itlog. Itlog became the werewolf. Sinurrender niya yung card ni Itlog, binigay sa akin. So Itlog won. The other person who won was actually Skiddo. Kasi Skiddo robbed Itlog. So Skiddo became the mystic werewolf. And yung sinurrender sa aking card was actually the robber. So, pinanalo ni Sheka si Itlog. Ewan ko bakit gano'n. Binigay niya yung werewolf card kay Itlog pero ayaw niyang ipabote sa inyo si Itlog. So, pinanalo niya si Itlog. And, yeah.
Bias.
Which ka,
Wait
binigay,
lang.
sabi mo card
Bias.
2. Di pinakita ko card 2, werewolf. Tapos, tinanong ka, dito ko bibigay yan. Nag-5 ka.
Bias.
Okay. Naging werewolf ulit si Itlog. Si
Wait
Bujin
lang
yung
kasi
Tanner.
akala-
Go ahead.
Oh my God. Okay. So, akala ko kasi, makukuha ko yung card. Then, akala ko yung tanong mo sa akin is, kanino din ibibigay? So,
Kanino? Hindi.
So, binigay ko sa kay Itlog. Kaya,
Kala mo
pinag-
werewolf ka rin.
sinasabi
Okay. It makes sense kung bakit dinidefend mo si Itlog. Pero no, it doesn't work like that. Kinuha mo yun, tapos sinassign mo kay Itlog. So, natapos yung game, witch ka pa rin. Apprentice year pa rin si Noob Ambassador, and Tanner pa rin si Bujin. So, si
Tama lang ang
Itlog,
sinabi ko sa dulo.
mystic werewolf na naging robber, na ginawang werewolf ulit. So, good job. Panalo si Itlog and si Skiddo.
Wait, I thought I
Gan-
was going to lose.
naman.
Kaya
Bujin, walang nagawa eh.
nag-squeal na
Pag
kagad si
panatahimik
Skido eh.
Bujin- Pag panatahimik si
Nag-squeal siya.
Bujin, ano?
Tanner siya.
Uh-oh.
I thought Bujin was really the witch and Sheka was really the troublemaker.
Kaya nga, so inamin mo na
sure.
I was the Mystic Werewolf na
Yeah, I
kinuha.
outed myself.
Bakit di ka niniwala sa akin na witch si Sheka kung ako pala yung Mystic Werewolf?
Hindi, sinabi ni Shake Tanner ka daw eh, so wala na naniniwala siya. I think. Anyway.
Ah.
Well,
Akala ko nakuha ko din yung ano.
yung nakuha mo.
Tapos parang maghahanap ako ng another werewolf.
Sabi mo,
Kaya
so it makes sense kung bakit maginawa yung ginawa. But no. Okay, werewolf team, wake up. Werewolf team, wake up. There are two of you guys know each other. There's one of you, pick a card. Okay, that is long enough. Go back to sleep. Werewolf team. Mystic werewolf, wake up. Pick a player. That's long enough. Go back to sleep, Mystic Werewolf. Apprentice Seer, wake up. Okay, pick a card. Okay. Go back to sleep. Okay, Witch. Pick a card, 1, 2, or 3. Okay. Witch, who gets this card? Anyone, including yourself? Good, go back to sleep. After papakita ko lang to, wala kang gagawin. English ko lang. Tana, wake up, look at the camera. Just for the recording, yes. You think you're the Tana who knows. Go back to sleep. Please close it.
okay. And that was One Night Ultimate Werewolf. So, yon nanalo si Itlog and Skido. Dahil pinanalo ko si Itlog. And too bad for sorry guys. Bawi next time. And guys, if you like this video and you enjoyed watching this video, please help us like and share and subscribe na rin kayo para lagi kayong updated sa aming mga videos. And that's all for today. Bye!